For luxury, Tameron Gulf Coast has it. Brand new to our inventory, we have this 2020 Jaguar FX 30T Prestige SUV. On the exterior, we have Xenon headlights, power and heated door mirrors, and a rear backup camera system. Inside, you'll find comfortable leather seating for 5 with heated front seats, power sliding moonroof, and push-to-start technology. The 10-inch touchscreen display comes preloaded with navigation and has Bluetooth to keep you connected. This 2020 Jaguar FX has less than 47,000 miles and it comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.